for race number 5. Gates open. They're up and racing. Princess Tokay draws for your lead, moving up by the real touch of glory. Janelle's episode is on the outside. Then comes Islam Shots by the real prying eyes, followed by Madame Composita. Moving up in between runners Rogue Knight and on the outside. Jeep up stop and trailing the group is pound for pound. About to pass the last 600. We have Touch of Glory by about a length. Running in second is Janelle's episode. Princess Tokay drops back in third. Is sneaking in down on the inside is Islam Shots as they turn to the last 450. Touch of Glory still leading the field. Moving up by the release. Islam Shots and now grabbing the lead. This time with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths. Islam Shots by about 4 lengths now, followed by Touch of Glory. Moving up is Prying Eyes and entry number 6, Janelle's episode, and finally Islam Shots. Second, Touch of Glory, close between 3 runners, Janelle's episode, Chip of Stop, and number 4, Prying Eyes for your Pentapecta.